How to see unsent photos on Messenger. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can see the unsent photos on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If someone sent you a photo and then they instantly unsent it, and then you want to find out what they unsent. Now by default, whenever you're doing this for the first time, this might not be possible for you, but next time if you want to avoid this, what you can do is to tap on the three lines option from the top left, then tap on the gear icon, which is the settings icon over here. Then when you come to the settings icon, you can simply scroll and then look for the option called photos and media and tap on it. Then you have to turn on this option that says save on capture. So next time whenever someone sends you a photo, whether or not you save them manually, they will get automatically downloaded, which means even if they unsend it, you will be able to find them from your gallery app. This way you will be able to see unsent photos on Messenger. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.